Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel video. So, in here, guys, I want to make it some good tutorial video, and then there is a new tutorial. It's about watering plant system. If you know, is it a good what with this one is the good is the good project. And I'm making this with from KBID. If if you KBID is a good application for making like IoT because we can making this is with because we can making this with the code and code no code but with the block code, so it's a very easy for you making it. But the first it is I want to you to understand about this code. The first is setup. This one is initially about what is we take it. This one is from an advanced, and this one you can take it this code, and this one don't forget to installing this plugin, and then is IEL and moisture sensor, so and EL length tracking again maybe and after you already making you can making it it's like this. So then you can look at what this there is a moisture again. This one is we take it is from the moisture sensor. This one is like for the sensor of moisture. Yeah, this one. And then this is the set pin, and yeah, we put it on the ESP32. For this one, yeah, if you look at my video, if do as you will know how to make it. Yeah, it's easy just making it. The first is like this, and the second is like this. Yes, yeah, it's easy one, and this one is it is because we taking from this one, and then we making like get input in like 1000. So yeah, get input. This one is just yeah, we just taking this, and then we searching for create input. Yeah, this one create input water level, and then yeah, we continue with moisture. So with the long one, and then yeah, the rest is like what you especially are. Sorry guys, my son is like this because yeah, I'm a bit of sick. Or and then for this one maybe is the our explanation to. No, but don't forget about the com is very important. But yeah, because yeah, I will show it to you like what the draft that I already make it before. I will show it to you. Okay. But before that, I want to taking something that is important. Okay. Wait. Okay. So guys, in here I find it. What is the problem? So as you can see in here, this is the result that I will show. So this is the one of that's what I want to show to you. Okay, and this is the DC pump. This is for IoT tool, and this is the new tool, and this is for like yeah moisture. No, this is not moisture sensor. It's the different things. The moisture sensor is like that. So there's a lot of things in here. Okay, guys. So as you can see in here, I will tidy up this one so you understand. So this one is relay. You can making this by your own self. Maybe you can put it this. And then this is I don't know what is it, but it's the new tools that I get. That is from my teacher. And then yeah, this is it for very important tool for like IoT. I will prepare it this because I don't want to make it broken. This one is the ESP one. Look at this one. So this is the ESP one. This is the DC pump, and then this is the okay. This one is the relay. Okay, I will explanation to you from the first. The first is like this one is DC pump, and yeah, using you will cutting the cable like this one. You can get cutting but the just the skin, and then yeah, you can connect it with any cable after you connect it, but you need a glue gun for making this is one is more perfect. After that, if you are the red one is you connected to the relay in the K1. You must using screwdriver for for connected this one, and then for the black one is like you can use this. Oh, also you needed more moisture sensor in here. This is the new things in here that I will show it to you. This one and this one. So this one is like there's a fin in yeah fin. So fin you connected to this one to this one, but this one this is like the team for fin, and then there is like this a FCC team, and then this is the GND team, and then this is is GND you connected to GND team. This is just the easy to yeah GND to GND, but for D13 you connected to relay to ini yang get inhale ini this ini in here yeah you can look at it. So this one is just the easy tutorial. You will connect this one too, but yeah I will show it to you what is the device of the like the showing how this one is worked, and I will show it to you, but it's later because I don't have too much time. Yeah, it's just the easy tutorial. Yeah, you can look at in here there is a lot of tools in here that I will show it to you, but yeah, because yeah this one I just want to explanation to you. This one is just like making this one is maybe like this. Yeah, 12. Oh yeah, the 12 is you show it to this one, and then for this one for the moisture sensor you connected to this one too. For GND you connected to GND. For VCC you connected to ESP32, and then for the other yeah you can make it making by oneself, and then for the green one yeah is for the GND, maybe for GND team, and then yeah so this one is for GND, and then this for species, so you can connect to this in here. For the result I will show it to you later. For this one I will just show it to you the tutorial and the explanation. Okay guys, maybe just this for my explanation, and I'm sorry and I will show it to you the result later, and that's what I'm saying. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.